for moms, kids, and dads.
Hello? Sorry, hello. Yes. Hi. Leah here. Sorry. I want to ask the parents, how do they manage being moms and dad to their kids, and at the same time doing their showbiz career? Like you're busy with your engagements, also with your career. How do you manage your job at home?
We can start with Elise.
I think for a normal parent, mahirap naman po talaga na being a parent. But of course, for us with tapings and other schedules as well, parang yung magbabalance ng dun is really up to how you prioritize daily. So, kumbaga, for me personally, what I do is I manage my priorities on a daily basis. Kumbaga po, for today, for example, we have work, so the priority is work. But it's a bonus na kasama si Bay sa work. But sometimes, pwede naman po talaga. So, ganun lang. You just continuously adjust every day para mabigay mo yung both roles mo as a mom and as, you know, a working mom as well. And fulfilling po siya kasi nga, hindi mo kailangan i-sacrifice yung pagiging parent or me as a mom to be able to do work and to be able to, you know, work on my dreams as well.
Thanks. Janelle.
Sorry, where's...
Yeah, I'm here, sorry.
Okay. Hindi ko kayo nahanap.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry, what's the question? Kinukulit ako ni Judy.
How do you manage being a mom and being a showbiz star at home
Okay.
at the same time? Yes. Siguro
Ayan.
si Blanc can answer that later. Thank you.
Same lang naman nung sinabi ni Elise. I think, if I'm gonna speak honestly, it's not easy naman talaga. Given na yung work namin requires a lot of our time, and we can't always bring our kids to work. So there's a lot of guilt involved for me as a mom na maraming beses kailangan ko siyang iwan sa house, or hindi ko siya nakakasama as often as I'd like to. Where's my son? But, ayun, as much as I can, I really try to balance it. If I can bring him, I bring him. And it takes a lot of bawi talaga. Like, kapag kaya kong bumawi sa kanya, talagang one-on-one, I spend time with him. I make sure it's quality time, hindi ako nasa phone lang. Talagang, I make sure na nararamdaman niya yung bonding namin. So, I try my best. It's not easy, pero...
When do you make up for that? How often?
How often? Depends sa work. Depends din sa schedule. Kasi hindi naman siya like 9 to 5 regular schedule. So, every time I get a chance, I get a spare day, I spend time with him. I
Like
make
when you
sure.
shot abroad?
Yeah, when I shot abroad.
Yes.
I actually brought him with me when I
Really?
shot Under Parallel Skies in Hong
Yes.
Kong. Yeah, I brought him with me. Yun, I try to bring him if I can. Pero if I can't, bawi-bawi na lang talaga.
Yes.
Becky ba?
Yes.
Gaya po nung sinabi ni Miss Elise, Miss Janela,
With your work.
yes po, siguro sa amin, wala naman siyang pagkakaiba kasi sa kanila, sa showbiz, siguro sa amin po sa paggagawa po sa bilang content creator, ganoon din po kailangan everyday may isipin ka ano ba yung content na ilalabas ko. Kakain din siya ng oras. Pero me and my wife make sure na meron kaming, gaya yung sinabi ko na balance talaga. No? For example, sa gabi, before kami matulog, sigurado ko na kukwentuhan ko sila ng stories.
So you have 2 kids?
Yes po.
Alright.
Bunso ko siya. So, make sure ko na talagang kailangan before sila matulog. Lahat ng mga request nila, na hindi ko nagawa ng buong araw sa pag-isip ng content or kung sa mga minsan sumasama rin ako kay misis kapag meron sa mga brands din niya. Make sure ko na ginagawa namin yung buong request ng mga bata before matulog para at least napupunan yung ano nila. Kasi naniniwala po ako na pagtanda nila, yung mga ganong kaliliit na details na pagkukwento, ganyan-ganyan, yung pag-storytelling sa kanila, madadala nila yun hanggang sa paglaki nila. Siguro sa ating mga parents, siguro po maliit lang na bagay yung pinakwentohan ko lang naman, inimbentahan ko lang ng kwento. Pero sa mga bata, madadala po nila yun hanggang sa paglaki nila. Yun lang po.
Can we get the name of your wife and your eldest daughter?
Shara Magallanes po, Mami Diaries, and Olivia Magallanes.
Eldest daughter.
Yes po. Thank you po.
Thanks.
Ma'am Thea, are you okay? Do you have another question? Okay, thank you so much. Next up, we have a question from our friends sa Daily Tribune.
To yung mga parents, ano yung love language nyo sa inyong kids?
Guys, what? You wanna start?
Sa mga amin po kasi iba-iba eh, no? Mataiba kasi sila ng characteristics ng dalawang anak ko. Pero, ang pinaka-love language po nila talaga is yung pag nagbibigay ako ng time. Yun yung love language ko para sa kanila. Minsan kasi pag yung panganay ko sinasabi niya na nasosobrahan ako sa work or sa pag-isip ng mga content. Dada, hindi mo na ako pinapansin. At ilang taon pa lang siya, 9. Kahit naman to si Akasha, ganun din. Dada, you're not playing with me. Kaya sabi ko, nung time na yun, sabi ko, oh, minsan kasi bilang magulang, nakakalimutan po natin na minsan nakakalitaan natin, ay, parang sumobra ata ako. Kasi kailangan natin sa buhay talaga mag-work, eh, no? Pag ganun yung nangyayari, natutuwa lang din ako sa mga anak ko na nailalabas nila yung emotion nila, which is yung tinuro namin sa kanila na if you need something, if you feel something, huwag kang maya, sabihin mo sa amin. Kaya yun po yung ginagawa, yung pag sinasabi ng mga anak ko na kulang kami ng time sa kanila, bumabawi po talaga kami. So, yung pagbibigay ng time, yung love language ko para sa kanila. Ganun po.
Mommy Janela? Love language.
Love language.
Yeah. For for you and Jude.
As you can see, he cannot sit still. So he loves rough play. I try to keep up with his energy as much as I can. Nagmamahay ako, pero madami siya nun. Sobrang dami. So, ano ba love language namin? He also likes watching movies. We watch movies together, a lot of movies.
And then you say that you watch Earthquake.
He loves earthquakes. He's actually very, very curious. So, ang bonding talaga namin ni Jude, he likes asking questions. And as much as possible, try kong sagutin lahat ng tanong niya, kahit gaano pa ka-random yung mga tanong na yan. Even at night before we sleep, madami pa rin siyang tanong. Kahit nakapikit pa ako sa umaga, marami na siyang tanong. So, ayun yung mga little things na, yung mga bonding namin. And, yun. Ano pa ba? Medyo challenge to, no? Challenge yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Multitasking. Yes, I think yun lang naman. Most of it.
Thank you. What about you, Mommy Elise?
Kami ni Feliz naman, I think what I like to give her is quality time and words of affirmation when it comes to the love languages. Kasi kapag may time and as much as possible, yun nga, I like to spend a lot of time with her. Pero, and also, kapag hindi ko mahanap yung words ko sometimes to express, dun ko rin pinapakita sa pag-spend ng time with her. And also, lots of cuddles, lots of hugs, and then words of affirmation. Kasi, pag wala naman ako and I can't be with her, dun ako bumabawi. Like, I always have to make sure na she still feels my presence and my love for her, even if I'm away. So, yun yung bawi ko sa kanya. I always let her know that I love her through my words. I would always call her, video call her kapag malayo kami sa isa't isa. That way, kahit yun nga, hindi kami magkasama, ramdam pa rin niya yung love ni Mom.
Follow-up question.
Love